phase 2 of the combat trial. You've seen but a fraction of the machinery I'm capable of being sold. That monster ready to fire. Now show me how fast you can run.
Think fast! You ready? Here! Give him your all! Bring it!
Behold the full potential of the Airbuster! Time to carry out your executions! Good work, your eyeballs pop! Here it comes!
Want this?
Take it easy.
Want some more? Gotta love it! This is gonna sting! My dear Avalanche, my apologies, but it is time that we part ways.